Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Stan app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Stan app. So if it's not working, you have to follow these steps. So first of all, you press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. Okay. It will open the app info section. Then you have to scroll down and you have to search for the storage. Just click on there. Then you have to click on the clear data. Just click on delete. Then open it again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to follow these steps. Just you have to open your Play Store or Google. Okay, so here I'm just Google. So here you have to search for the Stan app. Okay, so at here we can see the app. Just click on there and check for update. It's if app update available, then you can update it and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.